So good morning, lovely to be back. My name's Grace and this is Young Bloom's Flower Channel. Today I want to show you a solution I found to a problem that I had. So I did a funeral spray, so a flatback spray, which is essentially a hand tie that sits flat. The weather was fairly bad, it was raining, and I wanted to be able to protect it somehow with some form of wrapping. Obviously paper was out the window because it was raining. I have some cellulose film which is compostable, and I thought I will give it a go and see what I can create, and the effect was quite nice, so I thought I will show you what I created and see what you think. So let's get started. You can see the bouquet here, very simple. It's got stocks, oxypetalum, spray rose, some lemon balm, and I think physocarpus, the lime green, and linoleum as well. So very simple. It's a flat back, so it's a spiral stemmed bouquet, but it lies flat on the bench and it's good for funerals. So that is what I've created, and I will now show you the cellulose film. So the tip of the bouquet is here. The cellulose is 50 centimetres wide this way, and I've cut it to 120 centimetres long. So I've laid the bouquet flat. I'm going to fold this piece of paper, this cellulose, over and doubling it up. So it feels a bit like you're trying to cover it up, but you're not. Then you're going to fold the tip of this and create a triangle back on itself. So it's got a little pocket here. And then all you're going to do is gather this up and create a point at which you can tie the ribbon. Okay, I'm going to use my trusty paper covered wire. So I'm just going to show you, I am tying it here just so it's secure. Okay. So at this point I'm just going to use some ribbon and make a nice big bow. And if you want to learn how to do a bow, then there is a video I have on this channel that might be useful. So just very simple, quick way to wrap a flatback bouquet. As always, I hope you found this helpful. I can show you the funeral piece that I did and how I wrapped it in this cellulose film. It is a slightly bigger affair, but it's useful to see what I created. So let me show you that now.